Wanna get waxed, sweetie? Wanna get waxed? Wanna get waxed? Yeah? You wanna get waxed? Hey, I'm talking to you. You wanna get waxed? Wanna get waxed? She's not growling. You used to growl. What happened to this? Wanna get waxed? You wanna get waxed? Huh? 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 Don't you? You're wagging your tail, so that means you do want to get waxed. Don't you, sweetie? Can you growl? At least growl? Can you growl? You're a failure. Growl, 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 growl. Get your tail. Wanna get waxed? Wanna get waxed? Yeah, you wanna get waxed, don't you? Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. You wanna get waxed, don't you? Oh, yes, you do. Yes, you do. You wanna get waxed, don't you? Oh. Yeah, yeah. She doesn't growl now. What the heck? I bet if I put this on stop, she's gonna like growl like 5 minutes straight. You wanna growl? Growl. Wanna get waxed?
Dang. She left.